This episode shows simple Instagram for B&B strategies that take less than 30 minutes a week. Learn 5 simple strategies that take the stress out of posting. Don't forget to subscribe and ring that bell so you never miss another episode of Bed, Breakfast, and Business. And if you're a B&B owner and Instagram makes you want to throw your phone into the scone batter, this one's for you. Now let's be honest. Social media can feel like shouting into a void. You're busy, running a real business, not playing influencer in a hat made of sourdough and hashtags. The good news? You don't need viral dances or perfect aesthetics to get real results from Instagram. You just need a few small wins. And today, we're serving them up like a warm croissant on a chilly morning. Stay with me until the end. I've got a secret scheduling hack that will save you hours each month. You'll thank me later. Here's a pop quiz. Which app do your future guests check more often? TripAdvisor or Instagram? The answer? Instagram. And their DMs are wide open. Instagram isn't just for influencers and avocado toast. It's where travelers dream, plan, and bookmark places they want to stay. If your B&B isn't popping up on their feed, you're missing out on bookings. But here's the thing. Most B&B owners feel completely overwhelmed by what to post, when to post, and why no one's liking that photo of your award-winning poached pears. Start with just one strategy. Tip of the week. Pick one strategy and commit to it for 30 days. Do not try to do everything. Start with posting 3 times a week. Rotate between a beautiful room or a view from your B&B, a behind-the-scenes moment, you making breakfast, changing flowers, etc., a guest testimonial or review graphic. That's 12 posts a month. Easy peasy. What's something your guests always ask to photograph? Post that. Now make sure you listen to the Beds, Breakfast, and Business podcast for more quick wins. Find a link in the show notes. Batch it, schedule it, forget it. Now let's talk time. The number one complaint I hear is, I just don't have the time for social media. Well, here's the solution. Batch create 12 posts in one afternoon and schedule them using Meta Business Suite. It's free. A bonus? Add captions with FAQs you already answer every week, like check-in times or breakfast options. You're not just posting, you're reducing your admin. Be you, not a brand. Your guests aren't looking for perfection. They're looking for you. Think of your B&B's Instagram like chatting to a future guest over breakfast. Share your story while you open the B&B, your morning coffee view, the local bakery you recommend, your dog if you have one. Seriously, dogs equal likes. Instagram stories. Use them to say, good morning from the garden, or just show off a new dish. Just 10 seconds and you're done. What's the one thing about your B&B that make guests smile every time? Post that this week. Use hashtags without headaches. Here's your plug-and-play starter set of hashtags. Hashtag bed and breakfast. Hashtag weekend getaway. Hashtag B&B owners. Hashtag country escape. Hashtag B&B breakfast. Hashtag B&B stay. Hashtag small stay love. Hashtag hidden places. Hashtag B&B hosts. Hashtag B&B dreams. Here's a tip. Save your favorite hashtags in a notes app and paste them in every time. You don't post? Well, use comments instead. If you're not ready to post yet, no problem. Spend 10 minutes a day commenting on local business posts. the cafe down the road, the tourist site nearby. This puts your name in front of locals and their visitors. Plus, Instagram loves engagement. It rewards you with better reach, even if you haven't posted in a week. Engagement is the new advertising. That's straight from the Build Your B&B from Dream to Doors Open course. Would you like to know a secret scheduling hack? Use Canva's Content Planner. It's drag and drop simple. Design, write, and schedule posts from one place. Set it up once a month, and you're done. Put the kettle on. You've earned your cup of tea. What's working for you on Instagram? Drop it in the comments. Here are your key takeaways. Post 3 times weekly to start. Batch posts to save time. Share what makes your B&B personal. Engage with locals on Instagram. Use Canva or Meta to schedule. Instagram doesn't need to be a full-time job. With the right approach, it can bring the kind of guests you actually want without spending hours online. When you simplify your strategy, stay consistent, and show up as you, that's where the magic happens. If you want to go deeper into content planning, guest engagement, and booking strategy, check out the Build Your B&B from Dream to Doors Open course on our website. Want to keep going? You might like this post. Boost your bookings, your 30-day B&B social media makeover, episode 18. You can find all the posts on the Beds, Breakfast, and Business website. Subscribe so you never miss an episode. And if this one helped, feel free to buy us a coffee.